Every year, we hold photo contests so gardeners can showcase the beautiful plants that Bobbex Repellents let them grow. In this video, we'll share their successes with you by highlighting winning entries from past contests. Sit back and enjoy these prize-winning gardens from all over the country, sent by gardeners just like you, who rely on Bobbex to help their landscapes thrive. These are just a handful of the gorgeous plants gardeners grow with the help of Bobbex. We hope it's given you a little inspiration and reassurance that you too can enjoy thriving plants, even deer favorites like hosta, daylilies, and tulips. For more garden inspiration and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.